Hello miners, welcome to the tutorial video of Mr.Miner mining operating system. This is the landing page of Mr.Miner. Everything you need to know about the mining OS is located here. Features, dashboard features, mining OS features, installment, pricing, and miners. So I'm not going to go into details right now, but later you should take a look at the landing page. So let's start. First we go to install page. There are 5 steps of the installment process here. We're going to start from the number 1. First we need to sign up to Mr.Miner. Let's say test1 at mrminer.co. You're going to type your valid email address in order to sign up. Then you're going to need at least 10 character long password. Type my password, re-enter your password here, then click sign up. Okay, you successfully signed up for the system. Now you need to log in to the system. Click sign in. Okay, you're gonna see 3 setup instructions here. You're gonna need to complete them in order to reach to your dashboard. First of all, we're gonna create a farm. We're gonna create our farm here quickly. Let's suppose Ethereum farm. Select the coin here, Ethereum. Select the miner you want to use. I'm gonna select Climor for now. You're gonna type your pool address here. e1.ethermine.org comes as default pool address. Then down below you're going to type your wallet address and parameters. I'm not going to touch that. You'll see below your final command line. It is created for you when you typed your pool wallet address and you select your coin and miner other stuff. If you click edit command line for expert users, if you click that button, you'll be able to edit command line in the box here. I'm not going to touch that. Click create farm button. Okay, we have successfully completed our first task. Then we're going to need to enter our default rig settings here. Okay, so the farm config to be run, we must select one default config to be run when we add a new rig to our farm. Default settings for default overclock settings for AMD GPUs. For this section, I'm gonna type 1200 and 2000. And I'm gonna do my core voltage like this. These are some made up numbers. So, and for the NVIDIA GPUs, I'm gonna do like this. And auto fan speed settings here, I'm not gonna touch that. If my GPU temperatures exceeds 60 degrees Celsius, the fans will run faster than 40% to cool the GPUs down. So I'm gonna click update farm settings, then it's done. The last thing is to do to complete member profile. This is the profile page. You can type your name if you want. I'm not going to type it for now. And electricity price in your country, you must enter it correctly in order to get right statistics. I'm going to 0.1. This is in dollars, by the way. Language English, and you can select your time zone here. I'm not going to select it right now, so update profile settings. Okay, done. Setup instructions are completed. Then there are 3 steps to how to install your first worker here. First one is the download mining OS. When you click this, it's going to direct you to Google Drive, where you can find the img file of Mr.Miner version 1.0.3. Select it, and you're going to download it from here. I'm not going to download it right now because I have already downloaded before. Okay, then you're going to need Etcher to write the file to the USB. When you click download Etcher, it's going to direct you to the website of Etcher, and when you click that, it's going to download Etcher to your computer. I have already downloaded that also, so I'm not going to download it. And later you're going to need to open Etcher. Here you're going to select the Mr.Miner image file that you have downloaded. Then you're going to select your USB. Okay, then you're going to hit flash. When you hit flash, it's going to start to flash the file inside the USB drive. So I'm not going to do it right now. When it's done, when it's finished, your USB is ready for use. So when the process is completed, you're just going to need to plug your USB to your rig and start your rig. When you start your rig, you're going to see this desktop screen on your rig. You're just going to need to type your email address that you used to sign up for Mr.Miner dashboard here, like this, and click OK. Then you will be able to see your rig on your dashboard here. So that's it. I hope I was clear. Thank you